Good morning to all. Circuit theory, tie-set matrix or loop incidence matrix. Draw the graph of the above network. Select a tree or to write basic loop incident matrix from the loop equations, obtain and find loop currents and branch current. The circuit given 1, 2 and 3 are reference node, 3 are reference node, 5 are sources and resistance are consist. Graph, oriented graph we draw circle point 1, 2 and reference point nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are elements and directions of oriented graph is given, that is I1, I2, capital I1, I2 are loop currents, small I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 branch currents. Tie-set matrix are formed within loop current and branch current. Loop current 1, 2, 3 in rows wise, column wise 1, 2, 3, I1, I2, I3. Branch currents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows wise, small I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. Loop current I1 and branch current small I1 away from the direction put +1. Loop branch current small I2, loop current I1 towards the direction put -1. Loop current I1 branch current small I3 not joined, so put 0. Branch current I4 and I5 with loop current not joined, so put 0, 0. In this way form second row of matrix and third row of matrix. Matrix of IB is equal to B transpose matrix into IL matrix. IB matrix is equal to B transpose matrix into IL matrix. Small I1 is equal to I1, small I2 is equal to minus I1 plus I2, small I3 is equal to capital I2 minus I3, small I4 is equal to capital I3, small I5 is equal to capital I2. That is second equation. That is obtained from put here small I1, I2, I3, I4 in branch currents and loop currents, that is capital I1 and I2, I3. From this matrix, we find this form. Now, the row of loop incident matrix gives the following Kirchhoff's voltage law equations. From matrix, we find V1 minus V2 is equal to 0 and V2 plus V3 plus V5 equal to 0. Minus V3 plus V4 is equal to 0. V1, V2, V3, V4 are the branch voltages. That is first equations. The column of loop incidence matrix gives the branch current in terms of loop current. Now the equations relating branch voltages and loop currents are V1 is equal to 5 plus 1 into I1, V2 is equal to 1 into small I2, V3 is equal to 2 small I3, V4 is equal to 2 small I4, V5 is equal to 1 into small I5. That is third equations. Next page, I given circuit for branch voltages gauge. That is third equation. Substitute 3 in 1. We find 5 plus I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. I2 plus 2I3 plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 2I3 plus 2I4 equal to 0. Solve the equations. Use find branch voltages and loop currents. V branch voltages, I loop currents, small I branch currents. Above question circuit, we put branch voltages V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Kindly notice branch voltages are V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Thank you. Questions, model questions, 2 model questions I given in notes. Thank you. Above question circuit, we put branch voltages V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Kindly notice branch voltages are V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Thank you. Questions, model questions, 2 model questions I given in news. Thank you.